Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your existing contacts on Zoom. Now as you can see here, I'm in contacts, and basically once you're in Zoom at the top, you have contacts at the top. You can click on it. You'll be able to find all contacts here, and especially if you have your personal contacts or whatever, you can find those contacts and you can easily edit them. You can click on a contact and you'll be able to find all the details for those contacts, as you can see right here. And if you ever want to edit any contacts on the right hand side, let me just exit this window here. On the right, you will find more options and you can click on that. And here you have edit. You can click on it and basically make whatever changes. So let's say this guy name is not Bobby. I can go ahead and put a BY in that and click on confirm. And that's going to update the contact, right? You'll need to refresh a bit, or after a couple seconds, it will refresh by itself. And as you can see, it is done. Now, if you want to do this on the web version, you can either manually go to the web page itself, or you can click your account in the upper right and just hover over profile and click on my profile. It's going to open up and it will take you right into the profile settings. And you just need to scroll down on the left hand side. You click on personal contacts right there. Here you'll be able to find all your contacts, and you can just simple move across to the right and you will find edit. And you can basically edit whichever contacts. So if you click on it, you have the details here to edit. So let's say this one, Charlie C, make up a name and say Charlie Scene, for example, like that, or Sene, right? And just basically click on save. And that's it. So that's how you can easily go ahead and update contacts on Zoom, guys. Very easy and very simple.